guys, I'm going to show you my rare fidget spinner and spin it. Let me just put the phone down so I can spin it. Now you can see it. Now I'm showing you my rare fidget spinner. Like it? Bye.